I'm here with Managing Director Andrew Keir to discuss current and future plans that Spraylat have to become even more environmentally friendly. Specifically in construction, how do Spraylat's products contribute towards a greener and more sustainable environment?
Spraylat's Protect-to-Peel products are used to protect surfaces both internally and externally on the construction site. The product will prevent the need to repair or replace damaged surfaces. And if you just take a few moments to consider the impact on a damaged or surface that needs to be repaired, it is considerable. For example, a piece of glass. That glass needs to be remade. You use power to remake it. It has to be delivered to site. You use fuel to take the product to site. The installer uses fuel to travel to site. And once the piece of glass is replaced, the old piece needs to be disposed of. The accumulation on the carbon footprint is considerable. Our message, therefore, is very straightforward. Save time and money by protecting rather than replacing, but more importantly, save the environment by protecting rather than replacing.
So you've touched on disposal. How is Protect-to-Peel disposed of?
The product is removed from the surface by hand peeling. It's condensed into a small ball and takes up very little room when disposed of. Compare that to sheeting material that is often used in the construction sector. The amount of space that it takes up is tiny.
So tell me about the vision that you have for the manufacturing supply of Spraylat's products becoming even more environmentally friendly.
So at the factory we have a number of initiatives that we're looking at the moment. One of them is to replace our wooden pallets with recycled cardboard pallets. They're 83% lighter and 100% recyclable. That will have a massive impact on transport. Our transport partner is starting to invest in the latest vehicles, which again are environmentally friendly.
So tell me about the containers that you currently use. Are they plastic?
The containers that we use to supply Protect-to-Peel are plastic, and that is a concern. However, we have a really exciting initiative, and that is to use our products to line the inside of the container. The products are then filled with material and sent to site. Once that container is used and returned to Spraylat, we can remove the liner, apply a new liner and put fresh material into the container, which means that the containers, albeit plastic, become reusable.
So tell me about Protect-to-Peel. Specifically, how do you recycle the material?
Well, ideally, we would like to bring as much material as we can back from site and create a closed loop recycle where we turn that material back into a temporary peelable coating. But let me be clear, we're not there yet. We are working on other initiatives in the first phase of this project, whereby we can turn it into chip, and that has a number of applications which I'm not able to go into yet, but it's quite an exciting project, and we will have more information in the coming months.
So when it comes to the environment, Andrew, there's clearly a lot that's going on.
Yes, there certainly is. When it comes to the product itself, our product will play a huge role in reducing the need to repair or replace damaged surfaces, and that in itself has a massive impact on the environment. We also take very seriously our responsibility as a manufacturer to be sustainable, and the initiatives that we have to reduce weight, to reuse water, to recycle the material are very exciting.